We're going to start off the video with the fact that our little house wren is building a house in this. Now I'm going to have to fix the roof on it, but I didn't realize I'm going to put something on there, just some plastic, and tape it down. But we've got a little wren. I saw her or him on the branch, so that's how I knew. She's over there eating grass. I got an unusual find here. It's an old barrel. Now it's fallen apart. Most of it is not even staying together, but I just kind of propped it in there. And unless somebody repairs it, it may end up in the trash. Has a number 10 on it, so I guess that's 10 gallons. Real nice metal down here. I have still a piece of the metal that goes there. So that's pretty cool. In keeping within the bird theme, found another bird house. It needs a bottom. I think I can do that. So I picked up this wooden crate if I need to use some of that wood, but I think I have wood for it. And before we get to those items, here's a couple of crazy posters in Spanish. Not crazy, they're educational. They look to me like they came from a school in Mexico. Skeletal system, nervous system or the senses, and some anatomy of the reptiles and different other species. Well, I fixed it. It's lopsided because it's on that table and there's a nail sticking out. But anyway, I'm going to find a place for it. Here's the other finds. We've got some Sony lenses. Don't know what kind. This is the cap to them. It says Sony camcorder, so maybe that's what it is. Filters. Paper and ribbon slot punching tool. Metal glue. Needles. Lamp wicks. And mini glue dots. Leapfrog adapter. And a pretty cool hat. Australia. I'll have to look it up. So thanks for joining us. Good luck to everybody. Happy hobbying. There we are. I hope somebody moves in. It's not real high. I just can't get up real high. We'll see.